All right, so we got FOMC about to pop up in a little bit. Like I was talking about during the New York price watch list, we do got New Zealand and Australian news later on tonight when markets do reopen as well. So we want to see this volume kick in and break these levels that we just been consolidating and ranging in. Again, when we was talking about GN, it's been stuck bouncing in this range and this level for literally since August. It's been over a month of it struggling to break this resistance level here at 1325, as well as breaking the support level here at 1210. GA has been kind of in the same boat up until yesterday, but it did do a retracement today, but we still have bearish momentum. It's still respecting this level as resistance. So we're going to see if the downtrend is going to continue. It's going to continue to push down and break this level at 94.40, or it's going to continue to range for us. Same thing with NAS. It's been respecting this level as support, but like we've been talking about, and we do have this level of traffic to the left of us, but we have been consolidating and chilling here for literally 4 days straight, and we have been for the most part holding this level as support. So we're going to see the volume is going to help us break these next levels, or it's going to reverse us and bring us back into the downtrend. And it's going to be interesting to see what gold does, because gold just broke all-time highs last week on Friday as well. All right, ooh, look at that. That's crazy. Let's see what GJ is up to. Okay, GJ retested that level. Let's see what NAS is up to. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Again, we understand the rules of the markets, the rules of the charts, and understand how price really moves. It doesn't matter if it's a holiday, a news event, low volume, high volume, you're going to be able to project and predict the direction price is going. Again, there's nothing 100%, but 8 times, 9 times out of 10, like literally just saw me break this stuff down before the news, and now you see it playing out in real time. You can't make this stuff up. Look at this. All right, we look at all these charts. Everything is literally making sense. Like nothing's a shock or surprise. We're in a clear uptrend. We just made all-time highs, like I said, on Friday last week. And again, we're seeing price starting to make a new higher high. Right, GU, we literally took a buy this morning. You get what I'm saying? Failed to hold this level as support, but when volume kicked in, like I was talking about during the London session live, we're about to see if we can take out. Look at that. We just took out those highs to the left, creating a new higher high. And now we just got to hold this level here and see if we can solidify the uptrend. We also have a free signal, free Telegram. As you can see right here, this is how we did last month for May. We went 16-4, giving us an 80% win rate, cost 69,396 pips. You can see this by going to June 3rd. You can also see some student results and testimonial, and over 1,000 receipts of screenshots of student results, testimonials, screenshots of actual positions of trades I took, screenshots of signals I called, all that good stuff. So make sure to hit that first link in the description and check all that stuff out. Now that's how we did the last month. Now how we did Q1 to start the year off, we went 53-4, giving us a 93% win rate. January we went 20-0, catching 37,620 pips. February we went 17-1, catching 24,403 pips. Then March we went 16-3, catching 49,783 pips, catching a total of 111,806 pips. You can see this by scrolling to April 4th. You click right here. You click right here. It's going to take you to the beginning of the year. Now let's go ahead and get straight into this video. Right. Literally can't make this stuff up. All right, that's why we're telling you. So again, look how I reacted to these levels. Look at how price is reacting to these levels. This is why we trade, enter, and exit off these levels. You see what I mean? So it's that simple, y'all. Again, y'all saw it live. I be getting comments all the time. People talking about you can't predict news or you're going to blow your account. Blah, 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 blah. Right? So again, rewatch that first half. Before you rewatch that first half, let me break down the rules that I go on and go about when it comes to news days and news events. But the first thing I want to say and reiterate is it doesn't matter if it's low volume, high volume, a bank holiday, or a high impact news event. Price is always going to follow the flow of price, right? So if we're in an uptrend, price is going to continue to go up. If we're in a downtrend, price is going to continue to go down. Right, that's just how things work. Now, of course, there are times where price retraces and there are times when there are reversals, right? And those are things you can kind of anticipate, but when the reversal happens, it happens, and you can't do too much about that. So this is what you got to understand with how news works, okay? So like I just said, news is going to follow the flow of price, but news events come in when there's a level that price is struggling to break. GU, for example. When we look at GU here, we can see clearly on a smaller scale, on a smaller time frame, that this resistance level, right? We can see we clearly had an uptrend, right? So the week prior to that, we was in a downtrend. It was catching sells. And then Thursday going to Friday, the week before this one, that's when the reversal came into play, right? And then we see here, again, very choppy, very wicky candlesticks, and we see price struggle to break this level. Tried again, struggled to break this level. Retraced more, came back up. Even when we went for the buy before the news, price struggled to break this level. Then, as we can see here, 9 a.m., that's when price broke the level, but you can see it failed to hold again as support, right? So this is a clear level that price was struggling until later on to hold as support, right? But when we go into the bigger time frame, up until Wednesday, price was struggling to break this resistance level, right? Same thing. We was in an uptrend catching all these buys, but when price came to this level, you can see it came to a halt, broke it, but failed to hold that support. Tried again, rejected, right? Tried again, rejected. So it wasn't until the news they gave us the volume to break this level, and then later on hold, making us be able to make a higher high. So when it comes to a news event, and this is some serious game right here, is the news is going to give us volume to either break the level is struggling to break and continue the trend, or it's going to reject and cause a reversal. Now, there is the small chance that price won't do a thing at all during the news, but most of the time, high impact news does volume, and we see some things like we just witnessed today happen. All right, it's that simple, y'all. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description on free signal, free Telegram. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, my signal services, my mentorship program, we've absolutely been killing it, as y'all saw. Make sure to hit those links in the description. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced Play Signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible sells going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the Advanced Play Signal Room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long But you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded and are an hour long, and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.